Student, today I will discuss the most important topic of class 11th physics, work done by adiabatic process, that is formula W equal to 1 upon 1 minus gamma in bracket P2 V2 minus P1 V1 bracket close are equal to mu r upon gamma minus 1 in bracket T1 minus T2. Its proof will be explained in this way. We know that the work done in thermodynamic system W equal to integral with limit V1 to V2 P dV make its equation number 1. But by Poisson's law P V की power gamma equal to K make its equation number 2. और P1 की power gamma equal to P2 V2 की power gamma equal to K. From 1 and 2 putting the value of P from 2 in equation number 1, W will be W equal to integral with limit V1 to V2 its value of P K upon V की power gamma dV, and its will become K will outside integral with limit V1 to V2 dV upon V की power gamma equal to K with limit V1 to V2 V to the power minus gamma dV. Apply the limit here, and according to the rule of limit, that is according to the rule of integral, it's become K equal to V to the power 1 V to the power minus gamma plus 1 upon minus gamma plus 1 with limit V1 to V2. That its step becomes K equal to K upon 1 minus gamma in bracket V2 to the power 1 minus gamma minus V1 to the power 1 minus gamma. This step has written same. Next step will become 1 upon 1 minus gamma. K will multiply inside the bracket K V2 की power 1 minus gamma minus K V1 to the power 1 minus gamma, that is equal to 1 upon 1 minus gamma, that is K1 become P2 V2 to the power gamma into V2 to the power 1 minus gamma minus P1 V1 की power gamma, that is P1, that is into V1 to the power 1 minus gamma, because K equal to P1 V1 की power gamma equal to P2 V2 the power gamma. That is formula becomes W equal to 1 upon 1 minus gamma in bracket P2 V2 minus P1 V1. Its power will added and final power will become 1, and here its power will also added and its final power will become 1. The final W equal to 1 upon 1 minus gamma mu r t2 minus mu r t1 by formula PV equal to mu rt. That's we can write this formula in this way: W equal to mu r upon gamma minus 1 t1 minus 2. That's it.